Hey, welcome back to another video. We might be doing a little bit of hunting for the T-Rex, I don't know. Because I have unlocked the level that has the T-Rex, which is the Loftus Hills Fog. The rest of them are like Great Forest Dust, Boston Mountain Rock, Fog, Loftus Hills Dust, and so on. This, and I don't know about that. I don't know about that. That and this. Those are all the ones that have the T-Rex. I do not, actually not Boston Mountain Rocks, no, because I can actually see the shadow. It's the Triceratops. Because I don't have enough for the Triceratops. Yeah. And I might not be that good with my accuracy because I got scratched by my dog when I was down there before I made the video. And it hurt badly. It just hurt so bad. I was like, oh my gosh. I nearly felt like I was being killed. I'm to actually get it in my trophy room, I'm gonna have to be having to hunt with my what was it? Oh yeah, my Expo. But I'm not, because I can still kill it and get the gems from it. But I will not be able to get the rest. And we're gonna be hunting. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be a creepy hunt because you can hardly see in this weather. I mean, like, it's creepy. I've tried a different one with fog and it just scared me so much. I got like freaked out. I'm gonna get on this rock or something. Oh my gosh, this is really scary. Oh my gosh. I am like never coming back to this map unless I become an expert hunter. Down minus. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared right now. I just don't want T-Rex to see me and just like charge at me and kill me. It's gonna be creepy. Oh my gosh. Cannot wait to get this over with. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh my god, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dinosaur over here. Dinosaur alert, dinosaur alert. I think an Ankylosaurus. Oh my gosh, I'm scared right now. I'm really scared. If I die, we're going to a different map. I am not kidding. Oh god, what's that? What's that? Oh my god, it's a T-Rex, I think. Sure. I'm not gonna kill that. Yeah. Oh god. T-Rex probably. Holy. Killed that one too. Oh gosh, there's something behind me. Oh gosh. What the? Oh god, I'm dead. Oh, it sees me. I'm getting freaked out right now, okay? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I am about to die. I am like not kidding. Now that is my biggest. Wait, is this my biggest? Oh, this one right here is my biggest Tyrannosaurus I have ever killed in this game. Okay, I'm getting freaked out now, but I am really happy the T-Rex did not hear that, or else he'd just come out of nowhere and kill me. And sometimes, like if you're behind a rock and you're right here and you're just standing still, they can hear you fully and see you fully, and they're like on the other side. I just don't get it. I need to update this game. And right now I'm starting to get creeped out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I am really scared. Even though I have killed like 1,000 other dinosaurs, I am freaked out. This is like the worst map to be in to hunt a T-Rex. Because the vision, the sight, and it's all based on movement. So I shoot this thing in the head. A little crest on it is like perfect. I wish you like these things could come to life, and they're like mini figures. They're like 4 feet long and 3 feet tall. It's so loud. Do not like this. Kill it! Kill it for Pete's sake! Jeez. Hope T-Rex doesn't come out of nowhere and kill me. Oh, cool, a trophy. You have earned a trophy. Sniper rifle master. Cool. Oh god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Before I hit. I don't care about the stupid unconfirmed kills. I just want to kill a T-Rex and get this thing over with. Because I am like freaked out right now. Oh my gosh. Wait, no. I keep thinking my sniper rifle is mine. I don't care. Just stop. Oh. Getting my thinking space for what I should do to kill a T-Rex. I get out my miss. Get out my miss. Go, yeah. Oh gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. is it? I'm gonna be happy if this is a T-Rex. I wanna be so happy. But what I will not be happy about, and that's if it kills me. I will really not be happy about that. Oh my gosh. I'm scared right now. It's getting closer. I can almost see it. If it just like shows a Gallimimus, I'm just gonna like freak out and get mad. But if it's a T-Rex, I have to aim at it and then just sit there and shoot. Oh, it's Dinosaurs. Okay, fine. I'm fine. Fine now. And if I kill it, I am definitely not going over there to get it. Oh my god. What? There's another? If I hear a bunch of thumps and they're like big, I'm gonna like, oh, I will be scared. And I have enough vision to see that thing. I wish you could like lay down. It's another Stegosaurus. What's over here though? What is it? That stupid Stegosaurus. Go. Come over here, I'm gonna kill it. That thing better know that it's about to die. See? Told you. Stegosaurus, right? Yeah. Well, this will not be all of the video, but I am going to evacuate because I'm starting to get freaked out. So I killed Tyrannosaurus, 3 not confirmed trophies. Trophies confirmed, 2. Small trophies, 0. Dang, 63? If I get my perks off like that. Oh, I can almost get it. I still have to use this to get it. That I can definitely get. Observe. Let's see if we can find T-Rex. See that? Find the movement. That. Can't believe there's no ankylosauruses. And observe, if you do go in front of a dinosaur, it will kill you. Alrighty. See if we can find a dinosaur. Wait. A menu? Yes. Oh, yes. Hunt. Observe mode. Wait, no X-ray visor. That. And I'm going to have it on T-Rex. That way I know where the T-Rex are. And I can see what it looks like, what it would be like when you're hunting and it actually doesn't see you. No, I don't want Stegosaurus. Yes. Finally, T-Rex. Get there. Now, we gotta find one. It would be weird if you're just like running around and then all of a sudden T-Rex pops up and you just like die from it and you're like, dang it. That would be really not good. Tyrannosaurus. I wish you could kill him. Oh god, if it's coming from me. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Because you can die in observe mode. What the heck did you stop for? Okay, thank you for not killing me. Hey look, I'm gonna run into the tail. Whack me. Oh. Just want this choice. Let's find a T-Rex. I'm ready to find one. Look, it's a little friend. Sleeping. Well, better not disturb it, or it will, or it might hurt me. Not kill me, but hurt me. It'll make it game over. Right. In observe mode, the dinosaurs do not bother you. Wait, Tyrannosaurus. Oh my gosh. Almost every dinosaur is a Tyrannosaurus on this map right now. Besides that one Stegosaurus we saw. Well, I saw. I don't know if y'all saw it. Where the heck are these T-Rexes? I mean, like, are they down here or something? Down through in the jungle or something? Whatever this place is. If he's by the water, I'm gonna get mad. Because he's making my guy get tired, which is 1. 2, I have to walk all the way over there. And 3, I'm just gonna get mad for no reason. There's 2 reasons I'm excited. 1, I would get to see the T-Rex. 2, I'd get to see it drinking water if it was over here. But apparently it's not. Which is really bad. am about to get mad in this game. Because if I just cannot find T-Rex, because in this video I'm supposed to be showing y'all the T-Rex, but apparently we can't find one yet. So, like, this video is gonna be a bust. But if it's over here, I'm gonna get happy. I'm gonna be really happy. Alright, we better just like turn around and go over here. Because I do not see it. I don't see a T-Rex. The guy's getting tired. Let you rest, jeez. Whee! Sorry if y'all hear me going. It's because I have been having stuffy nose lately. I don't know if I had a cold or something, but I do know I've been having a really bad stuffy nose for the past like 2 weeks. It's bad when oh, I'm a personal office. And actually, I think this is where... Oh, cool! Tyrannosaurus drinking. Sweet! I didn't think we'd get to see a dinosaur drinking today. But apparently, yeah. Let's run into it. Kidding. Oh, dang it. I really want to find one. Well, I guess I'm going to be showing y'all. Wait. I promise y'all we will find one. We have to find a T-Rex. If we don't, just leave a comment. Like I told y'all in part 2, if you're gonna leave comments, use my name, which is TKAJ13. My real name is Jacob. Obviously, I tell y'all in the part 2 and second. I mean the first and second video. This game is a really good game, but if you're in this map, it's going to be like really hard to find a T-Rex. If we see one drinking, I'm going to be happy and mad. Like I told y'all when we did last video. We need to find this thing. Oh. First I thought this was a valley. See if we can get on this rock. Kind of like the Simba rock in and another map, I forgot. But a YouTuber said there's like a Simba rock or something. I think he's like over here or something. If we don't see one this time, I'm gonna ask somebody where to find a T-Rex in this, well, where they found it. if we don't, I will do that. I promise y'all. I'm gonna leave a comment to him, and if he comments on mine, I will show. I can just look at my comments, and it'll say blah 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 blah. Well, this video we're probably not gonna find it, but hopefully next video. Alright, bye.